So, what does a modern tech career really look like from the inside? Today, we're going to break one down piece by piece. We'll use a real professional's portfolio as our guide to see how you get from learning the skills to making a genuine impact. Let's dive in. And, we have to start with the classic coder's greeting, right? Hello, world. It just feels appropriate because we're about to go deep, really deep, into the code, the projects, and the strategy that actually defines a career in tech today. Okay, first things first, let's get on the same page. Our case study is all about a LAMP stack developer. Now, what in the world is that? Well, it's just a handy acronym for the toolkit they use: Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Think of it as the classic, super reliable recipe for building a huge part of the web. It's an absolutely foundational skill set. All right, here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with a profile of our tech pro. Then we'll dig into how they built their core expertise. After that, we'll see those skills put to the test, then check out how they've packaged it all into a modern menu of services. And we'll wrap up with the final verdict from people who've worked with them. So let's jump right in. We're looking at the career of Raza, a tech enthusiast and developer based out of Karachi. His professional journey gives us a really fascinating window into how a tech career is built, and maybe more importantly, how it evolves in today's world. So right off the bat, you can see this incredible blend of deep experience. He specializes in what are called progressive web apps, or PWAs. But get this, he's got over 8 years deep in the trenches with PHP and MySQL, plus a whopping 16 years working with tools like MS Access. His whole focus? Building applications that are fast, reliable, and can grow right alongside a business. And let's just pause on that number for a second. 8 years. 8 years focused squarely on PHP and MySQL isn't just time passing by. That represents thousands of hours honing a craft, solving ridiculously complex problems, and building a deep, practical knowledge of how the web actually works. That is the bedrock of his expertise. Okay, so now let's see how all that time and experience translates into a specific set of skills. We're going to open up his professional toolkit and see what's really inside. Now, what's really striking here is the level of mastery. I mean, we are not talking about just being familiar with these things. This is basically like being a native speaker in the foundational languages of the web. 95% proficiency in PHP and MySQL and 90% in Bootstrap for design. That means you can build powerful, functional, and honestly good-looking applications completely from scratch. But here's the thing, a successful modern career isn't just about knowing the classics. This slide shows a crystal clear focus on adapting to what's next. A 95% proficiency in AI tools, that's a huge pivot toward the future. He's not just maintaining old skills, he is actively mastering the new ones, from JavaScript all the way to the emerging world of Web 3.0. And here's that journey mapped out. It all starts with a solid foundation, a degree in computer science. Then he takes a role in customer support, which is such an underrated experience because it teaches you what users actually need. From there, it's up the ladder to a senior developer role, and now he's also giving back, teaching the next generation. It's that powerful progression of learning, doing, and then teaching. But look, skills on a resume are only half the story. The real test is applying them when the pressure is on. So let's look at some of the major projects where his expertise was truly put to the test. Our first spotlight is a cash management system built for a major company, ARY Services. And let me be clear, this isn't some simple op. This is a critical piece of financial infrastructure for a very large business. Just think about the sheer complexity here. He designed the entire portal, built in real-time tracking, and created a digital cash book from the ground up. And the system had to work flawlessly across lots of different physical locations and online stores all at once. This is where you really see the difference between a junior and a senior developer, that ability to handle business-critical systems at scale. All right, next up, another absolutely mission-critical project. This one is a management information system, or MIS portal, for a massive real estate venture called ARI Laguna. This project was all about data and money. He was responsible for managing sensitive customer data and, maybe most importantly, reconciling payments from all these different sources. We're talking cash, bank transfers, checks, you name it. And the final output? Financial reports that went straight to the CFO and finance manager. That is an incredible level of trust and responsibility. So, After proving his skills in the demanding corporate world, the journey evolves again. This next phase is all about packaging that expertise into clear, sellable services. This is that classic shift from being an employee to becoming an entrepreneur. This slide really just spells out that entrepreneurial shift perfectly. It's a literal menu of modern digital solutions. You can draw a direct line from his skills to these products, from a simple starter website to a tax-compliant point-of-sale system, a full-blown ERP for businesses, and even an AI chatbot. He's taken all that diverse expertise and turned it into a tiered set of offerings for just about any client. But it's not just about the code. He's also figured out how to productize his knowledge through training. And look, he's targeting all these different audiences: professionals who need to brush up on Excel, students learning web development from scratch, and even entire corporate teams that need custom workshops. This is such a smart way to diversify his impact and his income streams. Okay, so we've seen the skills, we've seen the services, but what's the actual impact? What do people really think? For our final section, let's turn to the people who have experienced his work firsthand. First, a voice from the top. The head of finance at ARI Services calls his work a game changer. A game changer. And the key phrase here is significantly streamlined our internal processes. That's not just corporate jargon. That means his code delivered real, measurable business value. It saved time and money. Next, let's hear the verdict from a peer, another senior software engineer. He highlights the rare mix of technical skill and business understanding. And this is so crucial. It's one thing to write great code, but it's another thing entirely to understand why you're writing it in the first place. And finally, a voice from the next generation. A student praises his clear teaching style and his ability to connect theory to real life. And this just closes the loop, doesn't it? It shows his impact not just as a builder, but as a mentor too. So when you put it all together, you see this clear pattern emerge. A modern tech career is a journey. It starts with mastering a deep foundational skill. Then it's about proving that skill through high-stakes, real-world application. And finally, it evolves into building a diverse menu of offerings, both products and knowledge, that create value for other people. Which leaves us with one final big question. This career demonstrates a powerful blend of deep specialization in things like the LAMP stack and broad adaptation to new stuff like AI. So as technology accelerates and changes everything, what do you think is more valuable for the future? Digging deeper and deeper into one single niche, or building the agility to adapt across many?